I want to talk about some of the profits I made and some of the missed opportunities. So let's review the trade on the Yelp. Um, so yesterday Yelp had a big day. It wasn't on one of my screens, but this morning it actually came up on one of my scanners this morning. Um, so when I was looking at the stock, right? Let's see. Let me just pull this one up. So if you look on this Yelp, we had this big up move in the morning, went from all the way from about 37.50 to about 39.50, so a $2 pop. And then I waited for it to consolidate just over this 20-day moving average. And once I saw the volume coming in, that's when I bought 250 and got rid of it fast. Right, so that's where you see bought about 39.20s and got rid of about 39.66. So quick, easy gain for about $113. Now here's where I could have made a bit more, right? So let's take a look at this Yelp. Um, so if you look at this $40 region, is one of the key resistance levels. Some missed opportunities. Why is this not putting up on here? So about 39.90 is where you see a key resistance on the daily level, right? The stock actually went up almost 39.87, right? The high on these ones was 39.88. High on this one 96. So about 39.90, $40 was the key resistance. One mistake which I did, if you look at the 5-minute chart, is let's pull this up. So this was the big move, right? And I went on the flag break of this 39.19s, and when I had this big move. Now, what I missed was if I would have seen the daily, which is the $40 was the 39.90 $40 was kind of a key resistance level in the daily. Now, because the stock has already moved from 37 all the way to almost $3 move, the ATR on this stock is about 1.33. So it means generally it moves about $1.33. Today it moved almost 3 times of it, right? 3 times the ATR, because 37.50, almost 3 times. So I played the first move good. The better play, would have been let it go through almost a 990, and on the reversal, once it was a failure on the reversal, I should have shorted somewhere around 39.50s, right? And try to see if this can actually start dipping, because the dip was almost the upside move was 39.20 to 39, it's about 70 cents. The dip was actually 39.90 to 38, which is $1.50 drop, right? Let me pull up on a 1-minute chart, see if we can see something more clearer or not. So here's the 1-minute chart. Here it is, right? So I played this break 39.19. So let me just pull this up. It doesn't look like it shows the whole thing. Because it's a 1-minute chart, maybe there's too much information on here. Let me see if I can do a 3-minute chart. Okay, maybe 3-minute chart looks a bit better. Okay. So this was the pickup 39.19s all the way to 80, right? If you look at the RSI, there's actually a divergence on here too, right? Something that should have looked at when I was trading it. Not sure why is this thing just hanging out over here. Maybe because of the video recording. But if you see, the price moved up, right? But on the RSI, it's a negative divergence, right? So if I would have paid a bit more careful to look at the structure of the stock, taking in mind that the stock moved up almost 3 times the ATRs, and the stock actually moved up with a declining RSI, the best would be to actually take a short position of 39.80, 39, or maybe even 39.50s, right? The key $0.5 level, and play it for a drop of $1.50. Something to take note of. I know I did well, made about $100, but when I sit down and review this trade, the whole trade would actually be the better trade would have been to short it once I saw the RSI dropping with negative divergence, and play this drop down here to 38 bucks, which have been a dollar 50 drop. So that's it for the day, guys. Just want to sit down and review the trades. Something which I guess you guys can actually learn from it as well if while you're trading to see when you are positive in a stock, how could have you made more money with a trade, right? Maybe you went long like me, and most opportunity was actually in the short, which is what happened. Something I have to keep mind of, something which hopefully you will keep mind of. Trade well, guys. Any questions, hit me up on my email, swatchlist@gmail.com. And that's it for the day, guys.